Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jerry Mendoza para sa YouTube channel and Jerry 89 TV vlog. We are here in Beverly Hills, California. I will tour you to some good places here, including the Beverly Hills and Rodeo Drive. What's up? Hold on and come with me, and we will show you all the places in here. Thank you very much. This is the famous fountain from Beverly Hills, where the entrance for the houses up here is located. Watch out and see all these nice places in here. Thank you very much, and holding me, and we will show you more on this site. So all of these are here now. All this signature um, things and shoes and Prada and or Christian Dior, all the expensive thing of on Rodeo Drive. As you can see here, this is very expensive place. Yeah. So look at the shoes and the bags are very beautiful. So watch out, and I'll show you more on this place. So this is the Rodeo Drive corner in here, and you can see all these expensive, uh, expensive store in here. What's out, and we'll show you more in here. It's really nice to walk in here. You can see all this Bersake store, which is very expensive. I see only very few people going inside. This is Bersake shoes, Bersake bags. Oh, it's very nice. It look like the setup in here is like an Italian store. This is a very expensive Bersake bags, white and pink, shoes for ladies, and look at this corner. This corner is like where you can find all expensive things. So what's out in here, and we'll show you more on this corner. Thank you very much.